He was a good young man, friendly, likes making friends. But because I'm not his age, I can't be, but I saw him, and that was my view. I go to him, he said, you can go, because they had already received, enough evidence in that. About the events of that night, how I had seen Mathiew Kirabo in the church, and the time I saw him and so on. I have to make a statement with regard to the case of Mathiew Kirabo. And the officer first listened to what I was saying.
What do you...
I'll remind you that you told
Tisasirana.
I'll remind you that you've taken an oath to tell court the truth, and that's what I expect from you as you answer my questions.
And that's the truth.
Okay. Now, you have told this court that you volunteered to go to police to record a statement on what you knew. Did you record a statement at police?
I wasn't given an opportunity. I didn't.
You did not record a statement?
No.
I want to show you a document here.
Maybe she can tell us what she's possible.
My Lord, this is the statement of the witness. I disclosed all of it.
My Lord, we object. We were not disclosed with that statement. We were not disclosed with that statement.
That document. Mr. Kisasiana, isn't that your statement that you made at police?
I'm still reading.
Is that your signature that appears on that document?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. So am I correct to say that that is your statement that you made at police?
Right, but this statement was made 21. This day,
When did you make that statement at police?
2015.
2015, on which date?
2015. Anyway, 2015.
So is that your statement that you made at police?
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to read. Do you need your glasses or any assistance?
Yeah,
At 5 in the morning. According to this statement, you saw Mathiew at 5.
I saw him earlier, to be honest with you.
Mr. Kisasiana confirmed that according to this statement, you stated that you saw him at 5 a.m.
Can I explain what the service
Did
is?
you see the accused?
Can I explain the circumstance?
You see, you're answering my questions, not volunteering any answer that you give. I have particular questions and I need particular answers because this is cross-examination. According to this statement, did you indicate that you saw the accused at 5 a.m.?
I saw him when he was going for prayer to be prayed for.
Did
5.
you see him at 5?
I saw him at 5 when he was going to be prayed for, but I had seen him earlier.
Did you indicate in this statement that you had seen him earlier?
I didn't state it, but I saw him.
You have answered my question.
I saw him.
Please don't volunteer information. Thank you. So now that you told police that you saw the accused at 5 a.m., would you wish to withdraw that evidence? You have just told court that you saw him at 1 a.m. when you just stand back.
Withdraw or add?
Yes.
Can't I add?
I have not asked for addition. Would you wish to withdraw your earlier statement that you first saw the accused at 1 a.m.? Would you wish to withdraw?
What do you mean immediate prosecution?
It's not. That's why you're taking that stand. You're supposed to be in a difficult situation. Would you wish to withdraw your earlier evidence?
But if I get additional information, can't I add it? You always put additional information when you...
Would you, I need an answer which is a yes or a no. Would you wish to withdraw your earlier evidence?
If you insist, if you are saying so, I withdraw. But
Thank you.
I have that additional information.
The 2 hours. So we
What is the cross-examination?
exception.
What is the cross-examination?
My cross-examination is when the opposite counsel puts questions of whatever nature.
Arising out of
Yes,
what the
ma'am.
witness has stated.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
witness has told you, has told that he went to police. And his evidence is that he did not make a mistake. State is giving you something that according to the state.
Here, most of the time.
Yes, I am.
And to this date is referred.
Yes, it is.
Where is the accused person, Kirabo?
He's missing.
Pardon?
He's missing.
Have you reported that at police that he's missing?
I got news from the parents.
Yes. Have you reported that as a close friend, that your friend is missing?
No, I have not. To stay back and wait for him to get done so that we can live together. Now, see, like I told you, he had just come and found us outside. So we walked in and entered inside the church.
And it is alleged that between the night of 10th throughout to 11th of July 2015, that he allegedly committed a crime against the same man. Now, can you briefly tell us what you know about, or where you were on the 10th of July 2015 in light with Mathiew Kirabo?
We arrived, I, myself, my brother, and my cousin, and my dad, arrived at church, which in this case is Mathiew Church, at about 10. We reached at 10.
We are going to speak slowly.
And then 2, we had been out of church, physical meeting. At that time I was doing a job.
Maybe before we go to the
Defense emaliriza obujulizi bwabwe oluvanyuma lwa pastor, a former commissioner of Ministry of Finance bwalimbye kooti nti ye yagenda ku police akole statement ne bamugoba naye ne yeerabira nti oluvanyuma lw'emyaka 7 yali yakola dda statement nga ekontana n'eyo gy'akoze olwaleero era prosecutor bw'aggyeyo statement ye gye yakola mu mwaka gw'2015 mzee abadde shocked nnyo ebintu ne bibalema n'okwongerayo n'omusango ne baguclosinga olunaku lwaleero. Tujja kudda nga ennaku z'omwezi 4 March mu kooti eno tulabe opinion y'abaseesa ndawoze kinaaba kiddako kulinda lunaku lwa judgment naye nga sofa.
That is not a controversy. He forgot that he made a statement, that's all. That is 6 years ago, you know. And the statement was only 1 page. Something very small.
So what is like your expectation is? What are your expectations as of now?
Our expectations is that the accused will be absolved of all the offense charged. He'll be discharged. He'll win the case.